Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jeera biscuits. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured out. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of fine semolina, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds for that signature flavor. Also, have 100 grams of unsalted butter, 50 grams of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk ready. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now, let's get started on the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the 100 grams of unsalted butter and 50 grams of powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, incorporate your dry ingredients: the all-purpose flour, semolina, baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Mix everything thoroughly until it resembles a crumbly texture. Finally, add the 2 tablespoons of milk gradually, kneading until a firm, smooth dough forms. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the biscuits. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to an even thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut out the biscuit shapes. Carefully transfer these cutouts onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the biscuits for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Once baked, it's crucial to let your Jeera biscuits cool completely on a wire rack. This step ensures they become perfectly crisp. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container to maintain their freshness for several days. They pair wonderfully with a cup of tea or coffee. Also, for those looking for quality, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Jeera biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.